Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm guiding you through creating a Smartsheet automation that updates multiple cells automatically whenever rows change status, especially when you're marking tasks as complete. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a workflow that saves you time and prevents mistakes, letting Smartsheet handle those repetitive updates behind the scenes so nothing slips through the cracks. Let's get right into it. The magic begins by creating a trigger in your automation. Hover over to Automations and choose Create Workflow. Now you'll pick when rows are added or changed. This means the workflow will spring into action anytime there's an update or a new row enters your sheet. It sounds simple, but this is critical. Automations only work as powerfully as their triggers. Imagine this like setting up a watchdog for your sheet. Every tweak or addition will wake up your workflow. Next, we want the workflow to fire only asterisk under certain conditions. So scroll down and add a condition that checks if the completion column equals 100%. This step is so important because it narrows things down. You probably don't want actions to run every time any asterisk field changes, just when an item is truly complete. Sometimes folks rush here, but don't worry if it feels fiddly. You're telling Smartsheet exactly when to pay attention. After that, let's specify an additional change. We want to watch for when the status column is set to completed. This layers another filter on your automation, and these stacked conditions are what help you get precise. Think of it like telling a friend, text me asterisk only when dinner's actually ready in your home. It makes your workflow smart enough to react at the asterisk right asterisk moment, not just any moment. Now for the action, add a new action and select Change Cell Value. Here you'll choose the status column and specify that you want the value switched to completed. Even if someone forgets or misses a step, your automation will catch it and update the status consistently. You're building in a safety net. Let's add another layer. Click Add Another Column and select the Closeout Project column. Set its value to Yes. This is super helpful if you have downstream processes or reporting that filter on this field. Setting it automatically keeps your project flow smooth with fewer manual updates needed. Take a deep breath, almost there. Now let's save your workflow. Give it a clear name, something like Mark Complete and Close Out, so you or anyone on your team can easily spot what it does. To test everything works as you intend, hit the three dots by your workflow's name and select Test Now. If this is your first time, don't worry, Smartsheet will ask you where to trigger the workflow. Choose Trigger Workflow on the entire sheet. Give it a moment, Smartsheet will process all relevant rows. Once it runs, you'll want to double-check everything. Go back to your sheet and look for any rows that should have been updated. Did status change to completed? And close out project flip to yes, just like planned. This is your confirmation that the automation's doing its job. Think of it like a final walkthrough before handing over a completed project. And that's it. You now have a customizable, multi-condition Smartsheet automation catching your completions and closing out projects with zero fuss. If this saved you some time or taught you something new, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment if you hit any snags or have questions, and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.